Hello friends, welcome to the special session of how to score 60 plus in RBWM for November 2025. Now the registrations are not over but almost in the last week now. 30th is the last date. Okay, for those who don't know, the registration date for JAIIB for November 2025 exam is 30th now, 30th August, not 21st. Okay, it has been extended just for your information. Okay, so register it before it gets expired on 30th of August, and also follow this session. In this session, you will be getting the how to score 60 plus in RBWM. Very important part, 60 plus. Every banker should know this, isn't it? Don't you want to be JIB? Clear? So for clearing JIB, RBWM is one of the important subjects. This time, May 25, RBWM was the toughest one. Almost 25 to 30 marks numericals were there. So that's why I'll be discussing, mainly today I'll be discussing the portion part, wherever numericals are there. Because this time paper was totally based on numericals. So I'll be discussing numericals plus the important theory, whatever you have to cover, so that you will be able to cover 60 plus. Before moving ahead, kindly share this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay, everyone click on the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, because you get many important updates as well as free YouTube series, free on the channel. Okay, so let's move on. See this, as I told you, I'll be discussing with you the portion, what the module is. Module wise I'll discuss in detail. Okay, so module A is retail banking. Now retail banking module A includes your introduction to retail. Now what does it include? See this, retail banking introduction means this will give you the complete picture of what retail banking is, when it was started, some major highlights of retail banking. Okay, so it will give you a complete picture of this. Then second chapter comes role within the banking operations, means here you will come across various types of bankings. Various types of bankings in the sense, you can call it, let's say, retail banking, corporate banking, treasury, merchant banking. What is the role of retail banking vis-a-vis other banks? Okay. Similarly, you will have the scheduled banks. What are scheduled? What are non-scheduled banks? Okay, these questions will be there. What are commercial banks? What are cooperative banks? All these questions will be there. So, if you want to target 60 plus in the exam, you have to be thorough in these subjects and in these topics. Applicability of retail banking concepts and distinction between retail and corporate banking. See, corporate banking is also called as wholesale banking. These two words are same. Corporate banking is also called as wholesale banking. Okay. What do you mean by this? See, in corporate banking, you deal with the bigger clients, Reliance, Tata, Infosys, TCS, all these big companies, where you give loans to the amount of 500 crores. So, distinction between corporate banking and retail banking. Retail banking loans are normal. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, let's say 20 crores, max to max, 50 crores generally we give in retail banking. Okay, not more than that. So, retail versus corporate. Okay, so here you will get the number of clients, the NPA levels of retail banking and corporate banking. Both of them you will get it. Branch profitability, one of the toughest chapters. Okay, one of the toughest chapters. Here you will have numericals, very tough numericals. Very tough numericals you will be having. Okay, very tough are there. Here you will have ROA, ROE. Focus on this chapter without fail and very sincerely do it. Here in these chapters you can write some theory, some logic. Here no logic, only formulae. ROA, ROE, leverage ratio, NII, spread, profitability, gross profit, net profit, all these terms are there. Okay, so that is about module A. Remember, module A comes for around 22 to 25 marks, 22 marks roughly. Numericals are there over here. Huh? Okay. So let's move on. Next. So, retail banking products and recovery. Here, this is similar to, some part of this is similar to PPB. Some part, I will not say all. Some part is similar to PPB. Because here you will have all the retail banking products. What are the products? Customer requirements. What does the customer require? Customer requires tangibility, assurance, responsiveness. All these terms are over here. What does the customer require from you as a banker? What does the customer expect from you? These terms are included over here. Various terms are there. Okay. Then product development process. How to develop a new product right from the scratch till the end. End means marketing, this commercial marketization of that product. Complete details are given. See, if you want to score 60 plus in RBWM, you must know thoroughly these subjects, these topics. Okay. This PDP process is asked almost in every exam. Steps. Okay, steps in PDP will be asked to you in exam. Then here you will have PLC also, product life cycle. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline. That also you will have this graph. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline. Kindly go through it. Then credit scoring means here you will be having CIBIL score. Not only CIBIL, there are 4 companies. Which are the four companies? Type in the comment section, everyone. Which are the 4 credit information companies? CICs we call it. Type in the comment section, everyone. Let me see. Type in the comment section. Let me see. It is. These companies are, yes, CIBIL, Equifax, Experian, right, and CRIF Highmark. Okay, these 4 companies. Then important retail liability products. Okay, here you will have all your CASA, FD. Okay, all these products will be there. The details of these, the nitty-gritties of these are really difficult. Okay, product you know how to handle it on a daily basis, but nitty-gritty is very, very difficult. Important retail asset products. Here you will have all your home loan, personal loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan, education loan, and processing of loan. Processing of loan includes 2 parts. One is standalone basis and second is CPU model. What is that? I'll discuss in the class. Okay. Credit and debit cards. What is the difference between them? How is the credit card cycle working? What is the APR in credit card? That topic will be there. See, I am discussing the important topic because just telling you the motivational speech, how to score 60 plus is not enough. You won't score any marks if I give you a motivational speech. Again, you have to focus on the subject. Very important part. Okay. So, credit and debit card. Then remittance products. Remittance means NEFT, RTGS. Okay, plus bill pay systems. Many bill pay systems are there. All of them are discussed over here. Okay. Then digitization of retail banking. Digitization means all the latest updations. All the latest updations are discussed over here. Latest updations means what is blockchain? Okay, what is blockchain? What is AI? All these points are discussed over here. Blockchain, AI, everything. Okay. Then role of AI and technology. These 2 topics will be related to each other. Okay. Role of AI and technology in retail banking. What is the role of AI? How does AI function? You'll have blockchain also over here. Okay, so important topics over here. Next, recovery of retail loans. What are the problems in recovery? What is Lok Adalat? What is DRT? What is SARFAESI Act? All these points are discussed over here. What are civil courts? See, things are not that simple. Papers are tough nowadays. If you want to score 60 plus, you have to go through each and every subject, each and every topic For that we are having the classes. The new batch is starting. Elevate batch on 29th of August, this coming. Don't miss that batch. Join it ASAP. MIS, Management Information System, means information transfer from one branch to another, from one head office to the regional office, all this. Various types of MIS are there. All are discussed. The importance of MIS. Then you have securitization. Securitization means selling the rights of the loans. It's a tough topic. It's a tough topic. There are no numericals involved over here, but important case studies are there. Case studies are related to this. Dates of credit and debit card. You'll have a case study on this. Okay. Others case study can also be there, but these are specific ones. Okay. Module B. Then comes module C. This is related to marketing. Marketing introduction. What is basically marketing? In banking, what are the 7 P's? All this. Okay. Delivery channels. How do you give your product to the customer? Delivery channels. That will be discussed. Product means delivery channels means it can be a branch, it can be a ATM, it can be a online banking, it can be a app, anything. Delivery models, horizontal model, vertical model, predominantly horizontal model, predominantly vertical model. These models are surely asked in the exam. If you want to score 60 plus, you have to go through it. Whenever I take the class, in the class I'll give you a PDF. Pay attention everyone, I'll give you a PDF. 90% of the paper comes from that PDF only. PDF plus class combined. That's it. You need not read any book. Okay? Customer relationship management, CRM. How to maintain the HNI customer. This is mainly related to HNIs. How to maintain the HNI customers, how to develop relationship with them, how to get business from them. All these points. Service standards means here it comes BCS BI. What is the minimum standards minimum timeline which you have to promise to the customer? You have to deliver it to that customer. Marketing information system, MKIS, this is a part of MIS only. Okay, but it is specifically related to marketing. The 4 elements of MKIS are discussed over here. 4 elements, very important. Sure question in your exam. 4 elements of marketing information system. How many of you know this? Type intelligence, research, right? Marketing intelligence, marketing research, plus 2 others are there. Isn't it? Then module D. Module D is importance of wealth management. This is one of the toughest modules. Here you have lot of numericals. Numericals are over here, all the 3. All the 3 you have numericals. And these are really tough. Huh? All the 3 chapters you have numericals and these are really tough. Wealth management. Various aspects of wealth management are discussed. Various types of assets are discussed. Then investment management. What is PMS? What is portfolio management service? What is investment versus savings? How do you earn maximum? Tax planning. Tax planning means latest tax slabs are used. Latest ones, 115 BSc, latest tax slabs. These are asked. Other financial services means what are the other things which the bank does? Insurance, mutual fund, okay, gold schemes. Plus then you have additional reading. Additional reading is housing. Additional reading. Okay, additional reading is housing. Lender's appraisal, totally related to housing. It's one of the best topics. And you have lot of numericals from here. Case studies, numerical case studies. Okay, you have lot of numericals. Lender's appraisal, housing finance, and tax planning, mortgage advice, valuation of real property. These are all theory. Remaining 2 are theory. These 2 are theory. But these 2 are numericals. These 2 are numericals. Very tough ones. Huh? If you want to clear 60 plus, kindly follow my instruction. Follow the Adda 24/7 Elevate batch. Coming up on 29th of August. How to join this? I'll show you. Okay. See, always go to Adda 24/7 through the app. Download the app first. In the app, you'll be getting 1% extra. It is available on both Google Play and App Store. All of them, both of them. Go to Adda 24/7. See this. Now click on JAIIB and CIB. See this Elevate batch. Directly you are getting it over here. Elevate batch. Click on this batch. Ebooks, mock tests, online classes, recorded sessions. Okay, everything you are getting. And the discount offer, look at this. Click on this buy now. Put the code Y432. Y432. Enter. See this. 79% discount plus 1% extra through the app. 80% discount you are getting. Huge benefit. 80% means what? Hardly it comes to 13-14 rupees per day. Less than the cost of your tea. Join this app. Okay? So, this Elevate batch is starting on 29th of August. Don't miss this batch. Detailed batch. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Okay? And for